Hello everyone, quick video today about how to set up to configure in your Entropass end of line resistor. Alright, whether it's a KT300, 315, 400, KT1. Let's take a look and see how do you set that up in your programming. Of course, we're talking about end of line resistor. Let's say everybody knows what that is. Take a quick look with our good friend Google here. Oops. All right. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Okay. That add a lot, make a very big change on your system having supervision or not having supervision, but in very low cost. I will suggest you to take a look. All right. Now, let's assume that everybody knows what we are talking about, and let's see where do we set that up. I'm in Entropass right now, and I went to from devices, controller. Now I'm in controller, right? And I'm in the controller tab, and I'm going to select, let's see first, the KT400, for example. Okay, KT400 controller, and let's see the option we have and how to set that up. So we devices controller, select the controller, then we go to the second tab where the model it's showing up. In that case, that's KT400. On the right side, you have a couple of options there, but what we need right now is the option to enable or not an offline resistor. The value of the resistor is 5.6K. Okay. All the kantech controller come with a bag of resistor, and you will have those 5.6K resistor there for you to use. So using them, right, is already there available for you. Okay, please. Now, in the KT400, we have available, you can get your system with no resistor. That means you don't have supervision, additional supervision on your input, right? I mean, you have the basic supervision when your input is in alarm, not, that's included, but adding end of line resistor add more. Okay, and that you can take a look, as I said, make some research to learn more in case you need some more information. Now, as for the option, we have known, we have single and double. In KT400 controller, you have those three options. And it's the same for KT1. We're gonna take a look quickly. The KT1 give you the same option. You can set do your installation and install your, your door contact, your exit button, and without an offline resistor, or you can add single resistor, or you can add double resistor. Okay, and that's where you set that up. Now, please be aware in the controller, if you set single, you have to install a single resistor in each defined, input. If you add double, you need to add the double resistor in each defined input. Is all the input you have with green color, which means you are using them. Okay. Okay, so that's being clear. Let's proceed. Let's see, for example, if I go and I say, if we want to check for KT1, as we said, we'll do the same. Devices controller and KT1, and on the right side, you see you have none, single, and double. Okay, now that we clear on the resistor type and option available for KT400, and KT1. Let's take a look at the KT300 or KT315. They're both the same as requirement. That's what we're gonna see now. Same principle. Okay, you go, let me do it. Devices controller, you find your way to the controller where you are installing the where you have the input added. Okay, 300, 315, devices controller, select the controller, and you will see the value is the same, 5.6. Okay, on the right side, when you go on the right side, you see an End of Line resistor, and you see the option available. So you can have none, or you can have single for KT300 and KT315. That's the same for those two controllers. 300, 315, you have two options, none or single. Okay, so in those controllers, for example, 315 or 300, same principle and same option available. Okay, and that's how you do it.